Sow. Meaning, to scatter seeds in the soil. She sowed the seeds evenly in the garden. You can sow spinach in early spring. Fertilize. Meaning, to add nutrients to the soil. He fertilized the garden with organic compost. Fertilizing helps plants grow better. Compost. Meaning, to use organic waste to make soil richer. I compost kitchen scraps for my garden. Composting reduces waste and improves the soil. Mulch. Meaning, to cover soil with a protective layer. Mulch the garden to keep weeds away. We mulched the flower beds yesterday. Trim. Meaning, to cut small parts of a plant for shaping. He trimmed the hedge neatly. Trim the grass along the edges of the path. Graft. Meaning, to join parts of plants together. Farmers often graft trees to produce more fruit. I learned how to graft roses in gardening class. Plant. Meaning, to put seeds or plants in soil. I will plant roses in the front yard. Let's plant some vegetables this weekend. Water. Meaning, to give plants water to help them grow. Don't forget to water the plants in the morning. She watered the flowers before leaving for work. Dig. Meaning, to make a hole in the ground using a tool. We need to dig a hole for the tree. He is digging in the garden to plant potatoes. Weed. Meaning, to remove unwanted plants. I spent an hour weeding the flower bed. The weeds are growing fast. We need to pull them out. Prune. Meaning, to cut branches to make plants healthier. Prune the roses to help them bloom. I will prune the dead branches this weekend. Harvest. Meaning, to gather fruits or vegetables. We harvested the carrots yesterday. It's time to harvest the apples from the tree. Rake. Meaning, to gather leaves or smooth soil using a rake. I raked the leaves into a pile. Let's rake the soil before planting seeds. Hoe. Meaning, to break up soil or remove weeds with a hoe. Hoe the ground before planting seeds. I hoed the vegetable patch yesterday. Deadhead. Meaning, to remove dead flowers to encourage growth. Deadhead the roses to make them bloom again. She deadhead the daisies in her garden. Stake. Meaning, to support a plant with a stick. I staked the tomato plants for stability. Stake the young tree to prevent it from falling. Mow. Meaning, to cut grass with a mower. I mowed the lawn yesterday. He mows the grass every weekend. Transplant. Meaning, to move a plant to a new location. We transplanted the saplings to larger pots. You can transplant tomatoes after they sprout. Pick. Meaning, to remove fruits, vegetables, or flowers by hand. She picked strawberries for breakfast. Pick the tomatoes when they are ripe. Inspect. Meaning, to check plants for problems or pests. Inspect the leaves for signs of disease. He inspected the garden daily for insects. Dry. Meaning, to remove moisture from harvested plants. Dry the herbs in a sunny spot. She dried the lavender for making sachets. Mix. Meaning, to combine soil with other materials. Mix the compost into the soil. He mixed sand into the potting soil. Grow. Meaning, to develop plants over time. We grow our vegetables organically. Grow flowers like marigolds in your garden. To pot. Meaning, to place a plant into a container with soil. She potted the seedlings into small clay pots. We need to pot these flowers before they outgrow their nursery bags. To plow. To turn over soil using a tool or machine. Farmers plow the fields in spring before planting. He plowed the vegetable patch to prepare it for planting. To shovel. To move soil, snow, or other materials using a shovel. I shoveled compost into the garden bed. He shoveled the soil to level the ground. To pile up. Meaning, to create a heap or stack of something. She piled up the fallen leaves in the corner. We piled up the garden tools after finishing our work. To bloom. To produce flowers. The roses are starting to bloom in the garden. These plants bloom in early spring, adding vibrant colors. Arrange. To organize plants for design or function. Arrange the flowers in a circular pattern. She arranged the pots on the patio. Sprinkle. To scatter a small amount of water or seeds. Sprinkle water over the seedlings. She sprinkled flower seeds across the field. To pickle. To preserve food, such as vegetables or fruits, in vinegar, salt, or brine. She pickled cucumbers to enjoy them throughout the winter. He learned how to pickle carrots and onions for sandwiches.